Hello, beautiful people. I hope you're all doing great today. I've already done my makeup, so the look is done, but I'm doing my hair, and I thought, hey, I'll finish this up with you guys and let you see my super cool hair tools. So here we go. I think I'm gonna pull up one more section. I kind of section out as I do this because my hair is super thick. Thick. So that way I'm sure to get all the curls that I want. Yay. So today I'm using, take little pieces. I'm using my Chi Curl and Spin, and I'm just putting a little curl in my hair because it's a fun day. It's Fun Day Friday. So we're going to do a little curl. You can already see the curls I've already done. So sometimes you just need a little, I don't know, pick me up. And today curls are doing it. I don't know why when my hair is down, it tends to bother me. Okay, I had way too much in that. It tends to bother me on my neck, but if I curl it, it doesn't seem to bother me as bad. So we're just gonna curl it. So along the lines of these super cool Chi tools, we also have the Chi straightening iron that has the movable plates, so you can actually use it. I'll show you a curl with the straightening iron here in just a second. This, when I pull it up, and it's got a timer set on it, so in 15 seconds, it's gonna tell me it's done, and I'm gonna release it, and it's gonna be curled. Let me show you a curl with the straightening iron. Ready? Here we go. I'm just going to just twist it as I go, and it's more of a beachy curl. It's not as tight as, say, a curl with the Chi Curl and Spin. Let me show you the difference. But you can, if you didn't know this, you can curl your hair with the straightening iron. I mean, it's still got a curl to it. We also have the Ionic Chi hair dryer. Super fun. Love it. And I'm using the Chi Enviro 54 spray. And we also have the styling cream gel, which I've been using on my hair. See, now that's a tighter curl. You can see the tighter curl versus the straightening iron curl. I mean, it's still a curl, right? So if you have a straightening iron, you can definitely get some curl with it. I will tell you, for me, for the back part of my hair, this curl and spin is a lot easier because I can't see the back of my hair, but I can feel a piece of hair and slide it right into the top of this and spin it. The cool thing about this is if you have long hair, it still works and it's fun. And if it gets tangled, it will stop it. It'll stop it from curling up. So, okay, here we go. So to the back, there's a little thing right here that tells you want to put it towards your head. And then you just push the button and it pulls up your hair. Did we miss a piece? We missed a piece. It's okay. We'll do that with the straightening iron. But anyway, all these cool tools we have on my website, and it's fun. It's fun to do something different with your hair every once in a while. I mean, you have to wear a mask everywhere, right? So we're gonna take the straightening iron. We have to wear a mask everywhere, so, okay, so I'm just spinning it around that piece of hair. There we go, it has a curl in it. But we have to wear a mask everywhere, so we might as well have a little bounce and a little curl to our hair. I mean, it just makes you feel like you've got some style one way or the other, right? I mean, we gotta do what we gotta do. So and then once I kind of pick it out, I won't leave the tight curls. What I'll do is use my fingers here in just a second and I'll show you. I will kind of work through them. I did spray my whole head upside down before I started because it gives my hair that extra body because my hair is so flat to my head. I mean, absolutely flat to my head. And it needs a little lift. Now, doing the styling cream after I get out of the shower, it definitely helps to give my hair a little grit. But if your hair is straight as a board like mine, then you probably need, even if you're just going to straight iron your hair, if you feel like your hair is just sticking to your head, that will give you a little bit of, it can help you give a little bit of lift. Quick tip, if you'll put this on your ends and then work it into your roots, and then use the, I use my cheap blow dryer and blow dry it upside down, it gives your roots some lift when you're styling so that it's not just flat. Okay, let's take this piece and I'm just pushing my button. And the cool thing is there's two buttons. So you can curl towards your head or away from your head. And I tend to kind of break it up in the middle and do this part I do back and that part I do back because I don't really want it on my face. There's just something about hair on your neck and hair on your face that's just not fun. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it'll do this little bitty piece. A little baby piece. So what do you think? Okay, so we can kind of work our fingers through this part. Do you like a little body, a little curl? Does it make you feel like you're dressing up? I wish I had natural curly hair. Isn't that how it always works? If you have straight hair, woo, we got curly cue going on. If you have if you have straight hair, then people usually wish that they had curly hair. And if you have curly hair, people usually wish that they had straight hair. I don't know. We always think the grass is greener on the other side. Not necessarily the truth. Okay. We're going to put this in and spin it up. And I just have a little bit left. I did curl and spin yesterday, but I used my dry shampoo, which I don't carry, but it's a great brand. I used that this morning and just gave my hair a little bit of grit. I mean, it's still clean. I don't really do anything to make my hair dirty. I need to start working out again. I guess that could be on my goal board. That was a really big piece of hair. I didn't know if it would take it, but it did. Yay. It's going to be cute, I think, whenever we get it all done. So I'll show you the finished product because I'm almost finished. And you can give me your review. What do you think? Have you ever used a curling... Oh, look at that. Have you ever used a curling apparatus before? I think when I first ordered it, I thought, oh, that's going to be too difficult to use. It's going to be too complex for me because I'm a pretty simple girl. But it worked out pretty good. I like it. Let's see. It takes me about 30 minutes to do all of my hair. No, maybe like 20. So that's why I don't do it every day. Okay. 2 curls left. 2 curls left. We're almost done. It already kind of has a little curl. I like it. I've got one, but only tried it one time. I need to break it out. Yes, and my best advice, Sandra, is section your hair off. So I pull all of it up, and then I do the bottom section, and then I do another layer, and then I even section like from side to side so that I'm sure to get everything in the back. So for example, when I pull it all up, I part it in the back and I pull a ponytail over here this bottom side. So I curl all of this side and then I take that pony out and I pull it all together, you know, and do that side. So just section it off because I used to just go all in and I felt like I was missing spots. But if you will section it off, you will definitely feel like you're getting more of it. There we go. Look at those curls. Yes, girl. I'll spray a little of that Enviro 54. Let me turn around and let you see the back. we are curled and ready to go. So, all right. Thank you guys for getting ready with me this morning and let me show you all of my cool tools. If you want to check these out, you can do so at youravon.com/jwoolsey. This would make a great Christmas gift for some girls in your life. And everybody needs a blow dryer. Like, we all need a blow dryer. So get that hooked up today so you can start shopping ahead of time. Hi, Brandy. Thank you. So start shopping ahead of time for Christmas. We are 99 days away. Okay, guys, I got to take the boys to school. I'll see you all later. Have a good one. Oh, wait, I forgot one thing. My two-tone lipstick. Let's do this. Is the liner and the lipstick in one. Bam. We're done. Okay, have a good one. I'll see you guys later.